everyone, this is Jess from the Estevan Public Library, and for today's A to Z World Foods, we are making rainbow salad. This recipe we are using is from Kyrgyzstan, and it is a favorite during their short summer months. For this recipe, you will need radish, carrot, red pepper, onion, garlic, and some fresh herbs, including basil, parsley, dill, or cilantro. And for the dressing, you will need sugar, vinegar, vegetable oil, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Let's get started. Start by cutting and thinly slicing 1 carrot, 1 red pepper, the onion, 5 cloves of garlic, and finally your radish. I'm using half a daikon radish, but you can use 3 to 5 red radishes instead. Add all your vegetables to a large bowl and mix with salt. You can also add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of a fresh top herb of your choice to the bowl. Next, we'll make the salad dressing. Start with 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Add a bit of pepper and salt, and mix the dressing together till the sugar is dissolved and it's well combined. When you're ready, add your dressing to the vegetables and toss together well. When the vegetables are coated in the dressing, serve immediately or cover it in the fridge until you're ready to serve. And there we have rainbow salad. This was a quick and easy salad to make and pairs well with any summertime meal. It serves up to 4 people and only takes 15 minutes to make. You can find the written recipe in the description down below. I hope you can join us for our next A to Z World Foods installments, but until then, enjoy!